I want to tell you a story. A few years ago, maybe around 6 years ago, I was walking down the street, actually 5 minutes walk from here, and I could never imagine in my wildest dreams that I would be living here. I was living on the other side of town, and I found this wonderful man selling brownies. I really was starving. It was a very heavy day, and I really needed something to lift me up. And David was selling brownies, and they were organic, which I absolutely love. At that time, I was discovering that I could not eat gluten. I was avoiding it and finding brownie that was so delicious. It was really, really inspiring. That led me to actually starting to cook more and using my organic products and gluten-free. But only a few years later, I started this channel with food because I thought that I was not a chef, so I could not cook. And I could not film, of course not. How crazy of me. How could I? And then that I didn't know how to edit. Nowadays, I am cooking home-cooked food, really full of soul and love. I love my food. Now I am cooking, I'm making videos, and I am editing everything. So I love to share this experience, going to the market, tasting different foods, having guests. Okay, so I'm starving and all I got here is this beautiful gluten-free brownie. Can I show your face?
Yeah, of course.
And this is David, yeah?
Hi, and they're all organic and fair trade.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So going back to this video, I had a lot of thinking, and I'm really grateful for this journey, and I want to thank you for being a Gabrielian and invite you to become one if you're not yet. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share. Love you and see you always.